With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello. Here the question is which of the following is incorrect. Here out of the following statement we have to discuss the incorrect statement. Okay. Statements are: first, double fertilization is characteristics of angiosperm. Second is double fertilization was discovered by Navastin. Third is pollen tube shows apical growth and chemotropic movement. And last is wind pollination is common in legumes. Okay, let's start with the first statement given here is double fertilization is characteristics of angiosperm. Let's first discuss about the double fertilization. Okay, as we know that the generative cell divides mitotically to form two male gametes, right? Mitotically to form two male gametes, right? The first male gamete fuses with the egg and forms zygote which later converted into the embryo. Okay, here the ploidy level of male gamete is haploid and egg is also haploid, then they both forms the diploid zygote. Okay, and this type of fertilization is known as syngamy. Okay, known as syngamy. Next is here one and the other male gamete. As we know that it produces two male gametes, one male gamete gets fuses with the egg and the other male gamete gets fuses with the polar nuclei. Okay, it fuses with the polar nuclei and forms the primary endosperm nucleus. Okay, it forms the primary endosperm nucleus which later converted into endosperm. Okay, endosperm. The male gamete is haploid here, but the ploidy level of polar nuclei is diploid. The ploidy level is diploid. They both forms a triploid endosperm. Okay, triploid endosperm, and this fusion is known as triple fusion. Okay, triple fusion. Okay, and they both syngamy and triple fusion both together termed as the double fertilization. Okay, this is known as double fertilization, and this double fertilization was discovered by S.G. Navastin. Okay, Navastin. Okay, and this double fertilization is the main characteristics of angiosperm. Okay, this is all about the double fertilization. Okay, now let's discuss the statements. First statement given here is double fertilization is characteristics of angiosperm. Yes, this statement is true here. That's why it's an incorrect option. Second is double fertilization was discovered by Navastin. Yes, this statement is also true here as we already discussed. Therefore, this option is also incorrect here. The third statement given here is pollen tube shows apical growth and chemotropic movement. Yes, this statement is also true here as we know that the pollen tube shows the pollen tube shows the chemotropic movement, chemotropic, sorry, chemotropic movement towards the chemical with apical growth. Okay, towards the chemical with apical growth. Therefore, we can say that this statement is also true here. Okay, as pollen tube shows apical growth as well as chemotropic movement. Last option is wind pollination is common in legumes. This option is incorrect here as we know that wind pollination is also known as anemophily, right? The wind pollination is also known as anemophily, which carry pollen with the help of wind. Okay, carry pollens with the help of wind. Okay, in this pollination, the flowers which consist this pollination do not produce fragrance, right? Flowers do not produce fragrance, and the wind pollination is non-direction, and this wind pollination is not common in legumes, as this wind pollination is most common in grasses. Okay, most common in grasses, as we know that grasses do not produce any fragrance. Okay, therefore the correct answer will be the last option, as it's an incorrect statement. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.